Understanding waste away, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down English phrases and idioms to help you become a pro at the language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might have heard in songs, movies, or maybe in a conversation but weren't quite sure what it meant. We're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, waste away. So, let's get started and make sure that your English skills do not waste away. Waste away is an idiomatic phrase in English, and it's a phrasal verb. Now, phrasal verbs in English can be tricky because their meanings often cannot be inferred just by looking at the words themselves. The phrase, waste away, typically means to gradually become thinner or weaker, often due to illness or lack of food. However, it can also be used more figuratively to describe something that is slowly deteriorating, declining, or losing its vitality or substance. To fully grasp the phrase, let's break it down. The word, waste, in this context is a verb that means to use or expend carelessly, extravagantly, or to no purpose. It can also mean to cause to become physically weaker. The word, away, combined with waste, creates a sense of a continuous process happening over time. So, when we say someone is wasting away, it implies a continuous loss of strength, weight, or importance, which isn't sudden but happens over time. It's important to note the nuance here because it's not just about becoming thin or weak. It's about the gradual nature of the decline. To understand better, let's look at some examples of how waste away can be used in sentences. After months of being stranded on the deserted island, the survivors were wasting away due to lack of food. He didn't want to just sit at home and waste away after retirement. The old building has been wasting away for years because there's no funding for its preservation. In each of these sentences, waste away adds a dramatic effect that emphasizes the slow progression of decline, whether it's health, activity, or a structure. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary and give you alternate ways of expressing the same idea. Some synonyms for waste away include dwindle, atrophy, decline, and degenerate. These words carry similar meanings but can have slightly different connotations, so it's great to know them for more precise expression. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, waste away. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase and how you can use it in your conversations or writing. Remember, the beauty of English lies in its rich vocabulary and expressions, so don't let your learning waste away. Keep at it every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!